Hey there, this is a test of the Awelco Autodyne welding helmet. We're going to test it with these two metal pieces. We are going to test the welding capabilities and we are going to see how fast the helmet dyes. Okay, this is the helmet. This is what you get. This is what is inside the box. This is the helmet. This is it. Okay, as you see here, there are some settings for the helmet that have to do with the delay time from dim to bright again, and the sensitivity of the helmet. As you see, I have both of them on the fastest setting, so let's see what we can do.